I have found the best ham deal that you can order just in time for Easter at the click of a button. Hi, I'm the YouTube deal guy, Matt Granite. Welcome to my home and your home for some serious savings. If you've never seen me before, I find the biggest deals online, lifestyle, tech items, and one of the biggest requests I receive this time of year is how do you find a great deal on an Easter ham? My go-to ham brand is Hormel, so I reached out to them to see if they had any ham deals that I could share with you guys, my frugal family, and they did. So I've partnered with Hormel today to promote their online ham. It comes in this amazing packaging that you can order from Amazon, and I'm gonna show you start to finish how you go from here to something so succulent and awesome. You're gonna wanna click the link located right under this video description box. When you order your ham online, I think like me, will be very impressed with the packaging. Comes delivered to your door. Comes in a really safe and secure styrofoam. Honestly, my wife's gonna deliver a baby in June, and I hope that the delivery of that is as secure as this. This is phenomenal. Also great if you have a family right now. One of the reasons I love these hams, they're the perfect size. They're not too big, they're not too small. They're made in these small, made-to-order batches, and absolutely beautiful. Actually, when I look at the packaging right now, and it comes on dry ice, safe, secure, ready and delivered to your door, it kind of reminds me of trips I used to take to the butcher with my grandfather. He was so big on going up to his favorite butcher and getting whatever he wanted, and the packaging was always a really big thing for him. The packaging here is replicated in something that I ordered so easily and so conveniently online. Here's my double smoked, spiral sliced with natural juices ham, and I love the fact that it has the Curemaster approved seal on it. Just feels very authentic. I'm gonna open this up right now. Love the labeling. Honestly, this feels like I've gone to some gourmet butcher, yet I did this through a website and it's here. So I'm gonna open this up. And one of the things that I've noticed is they take a lot of pride, not only in the product, but the packaging. I mean, if you even look at the paper used to wrap this, really nice double-sided, this could be an incredible gift, but more importantly, this is something that I would take pride in serving to my family. Sorry, I was just having a moment. I can't wait to dig in, but more importantly, this comes with all of the glazes you would need to really make this a meal for Easter or any other memorable occasion. The glazed jars feel very premium. This is versus a packet. They're reusable. You can actually be proud to give this as a gift. I love how these come together, how you can use these, the unique flavors, and it all comes from a box which ships to your door just like this. This 9 to 10 pounds, not too big, it's not too small, and for around $100 retail price on Amazon.com, which includes shipping, it's an amazing value for the money. You are saving any time that you would spend in a store, and you are getting one of the best, most highly sought after hams just delivered to your door. The ham is pre-cut, so it doesn't get more convenient than that. Really all I need to do is remove this freshness seal right now. I'm gonna cut in. Oh, I mean, I am already so ready to dig in. I realize that I have to cook this. Of course, it comes on dry ice, so you want to thaw it, which I did. Let's get this out of the bag. It's okay, it's fine. Note to self, when unpackaging, don't spill all of the juice on your counter. But one of the nice things, it's so juicy and succulent, I'm not worried. I'm putting this into the pan right now, which is gonna go into the oven. Of course, you need to thaw it first and clean up your counter afterwards if you unpackage things like a moron like I do. The glaze that I wanna use is the cranberry chipotle glaze. I'm a big fan of this flavor, but there are different flavors and you can really get creative with this. You can pour directly onto the ham, or you can actually use it with a brush. I'm just lightly brushing this glaze over the ham, and you can see you've got this beautiful color here. The flavor, I mean, I wish you could smell what's already going on. I haven't even cooked this yet, and I am so fired up about what's happening. Just a little insider tip, make sure you get a lot of glaze on top. That's so it can seep down into little crevices from where the cut and spiralization is there. You just get that into every nook and cranny, and you are ready to rock. Extra flavor, keeps it extra moist. If you spill some of the liquid onto the counter, like when you're unpackaging as though I do, you can just simply add a little bit of liquid to the bottom of your pan just to prevent it from sticking when it goes into the oven. Another little trick that I learned from a chef that I work with. I'm gonna cook it low and slow at 300, but there are various ways to do this. If you have a ham tradition in your family in terms of cooking technique, well, the ham itself that I've found the deal on will enhance your tradition, but your cooking technique doesn't need to change. Ah, this is going to be amazing. And it's time to dig in. The ultimate ham is now ready. I wish you could smell how incredible the flavor is. If you look at the perfect caramelization, the flavor coming out of this, how it was cut, how it was put together, and how little work I had to do to produce this, we are way ahead of the game. Let's get this plated. I'm gonna lift this out of the roasting pan, put this right onto the presentation plate, and the plate right now doesn't even need any enhancement or garnish. I mean, this presentation is just unbelievable. You can see how beautifully this cooked, the glaze, and the way it's been able to permeate into each of the little crevices on here. It's succulent, it's crispy in all the right places. It is a flavor profile like you wouldn't believe. And again, just to remind you, something I ordered online that came delivered to my door is now the Easter ham meal of all meals. As I peel back these layers, you can see how moist it is. I mean, there's no camera tricks here. This is what I did in my own oven. You can also see that it's crispy in all the right places. So you're getting this incredible balance of flavor, consistency, and a texture. I'm telling you, this is so easy to produce. I am not a culinary master by any means, but I have just mastered the ultimate ham, and that's all tied to this deal that you can take advantage of located right under this video screen. More importantly, you're getting the highest quality premium ham you can find. And again, that Curemaster Reserve brand promise means you get the small batch. And because it's limited availability, being able to buy it on Amazon, awesome. Convenient, you online order, ship it to your home sliced. And of course, that tremendous value where if you look at the size, the price, and the upscale packaging, plus all of your glaze options, the additional glazes work great as dipping sauces or as a side dish. This is an awesome find. There is a coupon code to lower your price on one of these hams, and I will tell you, this deal could disappear at any point. It's either 48 to 72 hours from now, but more importantly, if you're watching this and you want to eat like a king or queen, or treat your family to something really special, especially if you're limited on time or cash, this is a great grab. For those of you still watching, and I really appreciate it, I want to know, leave me a comment, what are your Easter plans? Who are you planning to spend Easter with? And more importantly, if you watch me, you're going to be spending a lot less money. Go you! All right, not yet subscribed to this channel. I want to make sure you get hooked up for more huge deals moving forward and huge giveaways. Click on this perfectly glazed ham right here and my head, and that will subscribe you to the channel. There you'll be hooked up with some huge deals moving forward. If you need help turning on your notifications or leaving a comment, just click up here near my perfectly crispy ham. That will show you how to do it. And if you missed that last big roundup of deals that I featured, just click somewhere near the glazes right over here. See, I'm so creative today. And you will be hooked up with more deals.